Hey guys, in today's video we have a very detailed talk through client tutorial. I usually don't really do voiceovers over my client tutorials, but I'm gonna start. So right now I am priming my client's face with the Smashbox Photofinish primer, and after that I'm just gonna spray her face down with the Mario Badescu facial spray. And now I am taking my Rimmel London brow pencil in the shade Black Brown. I start off with that pencil, and as I fade into the front of the brow, I use the Rimmel London brow pencil in the shade Dark Brown because it's a little bit lighter than the Black Brown. So yeah. It makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the color all I take when the heavens. You're the sunshine on my life. I just want to see. So after the brows are done, I take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. When you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If I fit the movie, then you're the best part. So I am going into my Juvias Place Zulu palette, and I am taking that pink shade. This is a Valentine's Day look. I did this look on V-Day because she was going out on a date and she wanted pink to go with her hair. So yeah, the primary color we're going to be using is a lot of pink. So because we are doing a cut crease, I am going into the Morphe 35C palette, and I'm taking that hot pink to darken up the edges. But I guess you didn't know, as they said the story goes, maybe now I got the flow, cause I know it from the start. Maybe when you broke my heart, that I had to come again, I'm sure you that I'd win. All those times I said that I love you, you lied to me. Yes I tried, yes I tried. You lied to me. Even though you knew I'd die for you, you lied to me. Yes I cried, yes I cried. She said she'd never turn on me. You lied to me. So after cutting the crease, you want to make sure that you blend the edges. So of course I go back in with that dark pink shade, that hot pink shade we use out of the Morphe palette, and I blend the edges of the concealer so everything looks smooth and blended and as one. So you want to make sure you do that, or the eyeshadow is just gonna look real like tacky. You can kind of tell where stuff started and where stuff ended, and we don't want that, okay?
Zone 4. Yeah. Get money. New money. This is what they've been waiting on. Hey.
So now I'm taking a white shimmer shade out of this palette I got a long time ago. I actually don't know the name of it because it's so old that the name has faded off of it. But it kind of, you know, reminds me of the Modern Renaissance palette, that shimmer shade, white shimmer shade in that palette. They are so similar, so I'm pretty sure you can still use that one as well.
Throw some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Rich boy selling quick. Niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac. Took it to the top. Got the damn top drop. Blue color flip flop in the red lollipop. House in the parking lot. Still got my Glock cock. Blue money, motherfucker. Don't you see the big dot? Don't you see the big time? Don't you see the big rims? Wonder who they hating on lately, baby. This hill. Pint got his skin 6, call me Dundee. Hoping you hood, I'm the one that you wanna be. Haters wish they could, feel the wood in my 83. Ride with no tents, so the motherfucker know it's me. Rich boy selling crack, niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Rich boy selling crack, niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's.
Now I am placing some pink, light pink glitter in the middle of her eye. You probably can't really see it because of the lighting, but it's some light pink glitter that I'm placing between the white shimmer and the hot pink.
I'ma break you off. That's all. Every freak should have a picture of my dick.
So as you can see, I've already applied her lashes, and now we're just going to go ahead and go to the face. I am taking my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 368.
Throw some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Rich boy selling crack. Niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Hit the block on some new $10,000 wheels. Can't explain how I feel. Touch a gator on the wheel. Got peanut butter, ice cream, Peter Pan seats. Just got a fresh cut. Now we looking for the freaks. Take a bag, yellow kicks. Make her drop them jaws. I'ma show you how to ball. Middle fingers to the law. So fuck them niggas what they wanna do. Hating on the play, cause my legs skate 22. When I pull up, I'ma park right at the front. Pouring lean in my cup. Got purple in my blood. I'm a real pimp, bitch. I ain't playing like a trick. Just bought a new leg and put the thighs on that bitch. Boy, selling quick. Niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Rich boy selling quick. Niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Throw some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac.
So we're going to take that LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I am going to highlight the lighter areas of her face, and that is under the eye, the bridge of her nose, her forehead, under her nose, and her chin.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. 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 You could bet that.
I'm using my favorite setting powder, and that is the Nye Banana Powder. I've used other powders, but none of them really just give me the that I want, you know, like the Nye. Now, I can say I have not used the Sacha Buttercup yet. I think I'm going to buy that next when I run out of the Nye. But as of now, Nye is just, it got the key to my heart.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. 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 You could bet.
Now, I do want to say one thing. I didn't contour her whole face. I only did her nose, only because of the simple fact that she already had like a very structured like cheekbone. So I didn't really find it necessary. Plus, it's day and night, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't really want to do too much. I want her to be popping, you know, but I don't want to, you know, snatch her too much. She already had very defined cheeks. So I didn't really want to go overboard. I don't feel the need to. So yeah. Okay, so here's like a little tricky trick, okay? Whenever you feel like the setting powder is too light on certain skin tones, I always go back in with a eyeshadow, like a light brown eyeshadow, like a very, very, very light brown eyeshadow. I think I went in with one of the lightest brown shades in the Juvias Place Masquerade palette, and it just kind of helps to take away from some of the setting powder, you know, so she won't have like flashback or none of that, you know what I'm saying? I'm done with you. I'm just getting some last like seconds. Eyes closed. Open. Oh my god. Wink. This is the finished look, guys. This is Raven, my beautiful client today. She's so pretty. She's a true doll. This is her Valentine Day slay. You know, she's about to go on a date with Vay, okay?